Hello, my friend. Hello, current affiliate marketers or soon to be affiliate marketers. In this video, as you read in the title, I'm going to be showing you the top 3 Clickbank affiliate marketing offers that I'm promoting for the month of October 2020. So definitely stay tuned. Some of these offers going to be low ticket, which I'm assuming is $20 to $50. And I'm going to draw a couple high ticket offers anywhere from $125 up to $150. So I'm going to assume that you already signed to your Clickbank affiliate account. The first offer I have for you is the perpetual income. And before we continue on, I appreciate if you drop a thumbs up on this video. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, moving aside from that, I like to sort all my offers before I even come to select the offer I'm considering. I come right here, the drop down bar, and I sort it by gravity, which I've already done. So let me take you into the first one, which is the perpetual income 365 affiliate offer. As you've seen, I will be getting paid a whopping $182.57 for each sale that I'm able to generate to this offer. This is the standard landing page or VSL that they have listed here. It's very straight to the point. Click play, which I'm not going to do, but if you as a potential buyer, you click play. This is the exit pop-up in case someone was going to leave this. They would just put their name, interact. Now, obviously, the offers that I'm promoting is going to be in a make money online niche or people looking to be an aspiring entrepreneur, just creating their own path to freedom, financial freedom to be exact. So this is the first offer that I have for you. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. So let me head back over here so that we can get a look at the second Clickbank affiliate offer, which we're going to be promoting, which is the Click Wealth system. Now, as you see, I'm going to be getting $20.37 per conversion I'm able to generate with a gravity score of $161.49. It does not have no recurring rebill, but that's fine. Like I said, it's going to be a low ticket offer, so this is just to help generate some sales, because if you didn't know, you need at least 5 Clickbank sales from 5 different debit cards or credit cards to actually get paid your money up front. So I figured I'd start with a low ticket offer first, get 5 quick sales, and then move on to the higher ticket affiliate offers. Now, this is the landing page for the product that I just showed you on Clickbank. Standard VSL with countdown timer, description, straight to the point, and then whoever would be interested in will view it from there and then continue on to go about proceeding to make that sale. Lastly, the last affiliate offer, which I have for you, is a 12-minute affiliate system. Average conversion rate is $143.93 with a recurring rebill of $142.92, which I'll get paid every month for everyone who signs up through my affiliate link and continues to stay on a month-to-month basis. So let's take a look at the affiliate offer right here. Says if you can order a pizza, you can make money with the system. I actually like this landing page out of all the 3. This one is actually my personal favorite. But these are going to be the 3 affiliate campaigns I'm going to be promoting for the month of October. If you're interested in joining me in the journey, comment below #affiliate marketing. Also, if you'd like to schedule a one-on-one meeting with me so that we can swap ideas so that I can help you get started making money with affiliate marketing, make sure you click on the link in the description. Also, pin below in the comment section that says schedule your one-on-one meeting with MrDavinci. Here, I have a playlist popping up for you on the screen. Check that out. It's everything you need to know about affiliate marketing A through Z. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I release new videos. Other than that, I will see you on the next video. Signing off, MrDavinci. Make sure you click that playlist right now. Bye for now.